The lightning talks.
First, Krzysztof Ozog on the cost of IT department, and then Fatih Erikli and his talk on argument mapping platforms. Enjoy.
Hello, I'm Chris, as you can see, and I've been developing web applications since 2007, and today I want to invite you to discussion about some problem that I found out with development and with whole things relating to IT department. So basically, there is a huge trend right now. All companies are trying to automate things, minimize cost, but they are using this by building more software, by building the software. But what is the real cost of building the software? It's like who watched the watchers. Let's check it out together. So each product is some sort of compilation of costs. Those costs may differ depending on the product, but companies optimizing just like I said, the companies are optimizing the cost of operations by using less people, more automation. They're using more and more software. They are using software as a service, platform as a service, many things related to software. So it really boils down the cost of automation to the cost of software. Here we have example pricing of some basic platform software, anything as a service thing, which really have two major components. The cost of the implementation of this and the cost of maintenance. So if we take a look at the cost of implementation, it really is something related to work itself, the hourly rates, man days, man hours, lots of different things, but they have one thing in common, and this thing is people. It's like Soylent Green is people. So the software that we are using, or the industries are using for automation and for making, for using more people more efficiently, is actually more people. So people make people. We can make this kind of argument. In fact, those people are best paid people in the world. They are IT. So let's go deeper inside of the world of the IT costs. So basically we have something, the software is comprised of features, and the features are being developed using certain activities. And let's take a look at a usual case of feature development lifecycle. So basically we have something like user story, which is then transformed into a set of tickets, and then development work starts. As you can see, this is a quite interesting cycle of implementing the feature and looking for help, looking for inspiration, looking for solutions for given problems. This is quite tiresome, but in the end, the feature is created and delivered. Let's go deeper inside those two activities that are most common inside the software development. Basically, as I already said, it's creating a code and looking for inspiration, looking for answers, looking for some other stuff. So most of the applications nowadays are developed using some sort of MVC pattern. Some sort of. It's not always the exact implementation of MVC, but mostly developers spend time working on either some sort of thing that looks like a controller model, database, views, and stuff like that. And the other part of activity is when the developer gets stuck and he goes to our friend Google and asks him a question: how can I solve this? What solution is the best solution for this kind of problem? And even if the Google does not provide him the answer, we have a special place which is called Stack Overflow, where we can ask any other developers for the help. Also, Google will tell us which libraries to use, and we will be provided sometimes with the code samples. And this thing is really helping us as developers. So, but there is something going on there, which we don't know what is all about. Imagine that we have created a feature. This feature took us, for example, 5 hours. Behind those 5 hours, there is an untold story of what we do, what we search for, what was our problem, what was our main challenge in this. And this is somehow lost behind those 5 hours time entry. And my question is to all of us, to everybody in the world, is maybe there is some way that we can extract more information from these 5 hours. Maybe we can extract more relevant insights about developer's work, about his problem, about things that he commonly searches for. Maybe then we could have more specialized, more tailored educational plans for our developers. Maybe we have more insights about things that we need to talk about this developer. We can get information what this particular developer excels in, and what are his not so great sides. So we can then assign better work. We can assign work better to given developers. But this all information is kind of lost. And currently at Codesushi we are thinking about something, and maybe in the future we will be presenting our solution. But right now I wanted to share with you the problem of the silent timesheets. So this is it. I only wanted to raise the questions and let everybody know that this might be interesting topic to dive in. Thank you very much for your attention.